welcome back to the deep dive. So, I'm sure you've seen the post, that really touching story that pops up in your feed.
Yeah, I know the one you're talking about.
The one about the artisan, maybe a jeweler or a leather worker who's finally retiring after 40 long years.
And to celebrate, they're having this massive closing shop sale.
Exactly. Like 80% off everything. It looks amazing.
It looks like a gift, right? The photos are so professional. The whole story about their one last collection really pulls you in.
It does.
But we're here to look past that manufactured sentiment. Our mission today is to really map out the cold, hard blueprint these sites use to bypass your logical thinking.
Okay, so let's unpack that. Where does it start?
Yeah.
The initial setup seems so convincing.
It all starts at that emotional hook. The whole point is to make you trust them immediately. That story of decades of craftsmanship it's powerful.
But the first crack in the story, the first real red flag, is actually in the products themselves.
That's it, exactly. What's fascinating here is that they don't spend any time creating their own product images.
They don't.
No, why would they? They just steal them. They lift these beautiful, high-quality photos, the same lighting, the same angles, directly from legitimate, often very expensive retail websites.
So they're just borrowing credibility.
You're not buying a product, you're buying a concept, a stolen picture of one.
Wow. Okay, but let's pull back the curtain a bit. What about the website itself?
Oh.
The infrastructure. This is where it gets really interesting.
Oh, absolutely. The technical side tells you everything you need to know, especially when you look at the boring stuff.
The legal pages?
Yeah, the privacy policies, the terms of service. Investigators found that across dozens of these different retiring artisan sites, the text wasn't just similar.
It was identical.
Word for word, copied and pasted, same paragraphs, same typos, everything.
But hold on, couldn't a legitimate, small business just use a template they found online? Why is that a definite red flag?
That's a great question. But a template is one thing. This is different. This is a proprietary, centrally managed document. It's designed to give them the bare minimum legal cover. It's evidence of a network.
Right. Central command and control.
Precisely. And besides, if you're really retiring after 40 years, you have a history. You have a reputation, a physical storefront, a real address.
And these sites have.
Nothing. Zero. No verifiable phone number. And critically, no physical address you can check. They're ghosts.
Because they were never there to begin with.
They were never there. And this is where it all connects. The research has definitively linked these specific retirement sales with the stolen photos and the copied policies to a single massive scam network based in China.
So this isn't just a few bad actors. We're talking about an industrial operation.
It's a factory. They run hundreds of these fake storefronts, rotating them out with this exact same retiring artisan playbook every single time.
So what actually happens when you click buy?
Well, the best case scenario is you get a cheap, terrible knockoff in the mail, something that looks nothing like the stolen picture.
And the worst case,
which is much more common, is that nothing ships at all. Your money just vanishes, and any emails you send will bounce right back.
But that's not even the real cost here, is it? There's a hidden part to this.
Right. The data harvesting. While you're rushing through checkout, feeling that urgency, you're handing over your personal data.
Your name, your address, your credit card details.
And that information is the real product. It's immediately packaged and sold to other fraud networks. You haven't just lost $50 on a fake bag. You've basically paid to have your identity put at risk.
So, to wrap this up for everyone listening, the evidence stack is clear.
It really is. If you see a brand new website, if the content seems copied, if there's no real contact information,
and the deal feels almost too good to be true, you're probably looking at this exact fraud blueprint.
Yeah. A true artisan has a verifiable history, not just a manufactured story designed to make you feel something.
Which brings us to a final thought for you.
Since these operations rely on creating a strong emotional reaction to get you to stop thinking critically, consider this the next time a banner like that pops up.
The big question is,
how often do you actually pause, take a breath, and click on the legal or contact us page of an urgent, deep discount sale before you click checkout?
That one little check can make all the difference.
Remember, the cost of a few seconds of verification is way, way less than the cost of losing your data.